Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make vitumbua, which is rice cake. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For our ingredients, we have 1 cup of soaked rice. Then we're going to need 1.5 cup of coconut milk, but you can use either water or just milk. Then I have 100 gram of cooked rice. Then I have a 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 teaspoon of cardamom. I've used whole cardamom. Then after that, we're going to put all the ingredients in a blender as shown. Mix all the ingredients well, then you're going to blend it until smooth. After blending, you're going to pour it in a clean bowl. So your mixture should be as shown in this video. It should be smooth and somehow thick. You'll then let the vitumbua mixture to brew for about 1 hour or until it is well risen. So your mixture should be as shown in this video. So you're going to remove the cling film and give it a stir to remove the air bubbles. At this point, our vitumbua mixture is ready for the cooking. So you're going to give it a stir. Then in a vitumbua pan, you're going to add some oil as shown in this video. Let the oil heat for about 1 minute. After that, you're going to pour in the vitumbua mixture in each hole as shown in this video. Then you're going to let it cook for about 2 minutes before flipping them. After 2 minutes, you're going to flip your vitumbua using a spoon or a skewer as shown in this video. Then you're going to let the other side also cook for another 2 minutes before flipping them again. You'll keep on flipping the vitumbua so that each side can cook evenly and have that nicely golden brown color. By the way, if you're tired of eating bread every day for breakfast, kindly try this vitumbua recipe because it is the best recipe for breakfast and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So you'll keep on the process of flipping them, and as you can see, ours are turning out so nicely and the color is popping. Guys, as always, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted. And if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you're going to keep on turning your vitumbua so that they can cook evenly as shown in this video. As you can see, our vitumbua is ready and the color is so popping and looks so delicious. So we're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. We'll let them cool completely before serving them. Thank you so much for watching this video, and kindly give it a try and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their vitumbua or rice cake at the comfort of their home. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.